Managing SAP transports by hand can be tedious, and when changes are organized with third-party tools like Jira, aligning Jira issues with SAP changes becomes even more complex. REALTECH's SAP integration for Jira offers a seamless solution to these challenges, minimizing errors, time, and manual documentation efforts. With REALTECH's integration, all types of Jira issues can connect with SAP transports, utilizing the REALTECH Transport Management add-on. This integration automates SAP deployments, including sophisticated quality checks and workflows. As SAP transports are deployed according to predefined processes, their status synchronizes in real time between Jira and SAP, allowing you to manage transports from either platform. The app provides a dedicated panel displaying transport details, approval statuses, and import feedback. Jira statuses can be mapped to SAP import statuses, and conditions can be set to prevent transitions in Jira unless specific criteria are met. To create a transport request, you can use your SAP development system, linking the request to a Jira issue based on configurable rules. This step can be mandatory to prevent changes without a valid Jira issue. Alternatively, transport requests can be created directly from Jira, synchronizing ticket IDs and other attributes with SAP. After transport requests are released and assigned to a transport management workflow, they are ready for import approval into designated target systems. Approvals can be done via the REALTECH Transport Management Monitor in SAP or directly in Jira, provided the user has the appropriate SAP authorization. Approval will change the status of the transports to waiting for the next import batch job. During this process, the system will check for critical objects, potential collisions, and other issues to avoid import errors. The app is user-friendly, easy to implement, and includes customizable templates for your Jira projects. And while a subscription for REALTECH SmartChange Transport Management is required, you can test it free of charge beforehand. For more information or to book a personal demo, visit us on realtech.com.